Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how to add closed captions to your screencast. It's very simple and easy to do with a video you created with Screencast-O-Matic, even if you are using the free version like me. The first thing you need to do is create your video. When you're finished recording, you have the option of uploading your video to YouTube. Let's watch a quick tutorial about how to do that now.
You've got a finished video ready to be uploaded. You can choose to trim your video so only a portion of it is published. You can move around these sliders to position where you want your video to start and end. To publish the whole recording, make sure the sliders are at the start and end of your video. We recommend you record at 720p, which will give you best results when uploading. If you didn't record at one of the HD sizes, then you can still resize and reposition the video to fill the 720p size. Let's get started. Click on the menu icon here to pull up all of your upload options. Click YouTube. If this is your first upload, you will be prompted to add your account. Grant the screen recorder access to upload to your account. Once you allow and finish this process, you will see the publishing settings for this upload. Click on Account if you want to add another account or switch to a different account. Click on Title to change the title of your video. Click Description to add a short description of this video. If you want to provide tags for the video in YouTube, then click on this box and enter comma-delimited tags. You can choose if you want the video to be public, private, or unlisted on YouTube here. Here you can choose the applicable category for your video. You are able to remove the cursor completely or show the cursor without any highlighting. Finally, you can increase or decrease the quality of the video, which can help speed up the upload process. Click the Published button once you're ready to go. After your video is uploaded, get a link to copy or use Quick Share button to easily share to Facebook and Twitter. You can also find these links again by clicking on the History icon, which shows a history of all the publishing you've done from the computer you are on right now. Visit our website to learn about other features. Create, share, and experience video with Screencast-O-Matic.
Once your video is uploaded to YouTube, it's very easy to edit and add closed captions. So you're going to click on the link and open your video in YouTube. I'm going to select the first video I made for this course to show you how to add closed captions quickly and easily. To the right of the video, you will see an Edit button to click. Then on the top right-hand side of your screen, you're going to see this Subtitles and Closed Captions button. You want to click Add New Subtitles or Closed Captions and select your language. And then you want to click the bottom option, Create New Subtitles or Closed Captions. Now, YouTube has already generated the captions for you, but it's really important to listen through the video and read the captions to make sure that they match. Because I already see an error down here. It says, I had a high assault population of students. It should say I had a high ESOL population. So I'm going to go ahead and change that. Once you're done editing your captions, you can click Save Changes. And you are finished. And now,
Hi, my name is Nikki Baker. I was born
your captions show up in your video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or issues, please feel free to message or email me. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see your screencast.